Here we are in the Quaker Machining Solution Center. This is one of 5 centers we have globally. And we've started investing in these machining solution centers 15 years ago. And at this location we have both a CNC machining center and a fully equipped grinding center. We utilize this center to answer to complex questions from customers, help them innovate their processes and our products.
And Castellum are a major die casting manufacturer in the UK. What we actually proposed to Castellum was that we would take the new product. It's a product we introduced primarily to benefit the employees within the plant and benchmark it against the existing product which Quaker also supplied.
Yeah, we have different ways to evaluate the outcome of a test. The CNC machine is equipped with a power table by which we can quantify the axial force but also the torque forces as being expelled on the ingot. Other than that, we measure the surface roughnesses after reaming and drilling.
And then when the tests were finished, we presented those results to show that the new product was performing better than the one they already had.
For the past 15 years we have conducted many troubleshooting projects for customers. Recently we conducted a project that involved a depot drilling on crankshafts to replace a neat oil by an emulsifiable. Another example is a valve guide machining project where we saw some pickup on maple reaming tools and we tried to overcome this by increasing the lubrication level of our coolants. We conducted a project for Bosch. We used their tools, their ingots and their speeds on our machine. It was quite difficult because it's not easy to reduce the pickup of material on a depot drilling operation, and we were able, by innovating our product technology together with Bosch, to solve the issue. In our network of machining solution center, we conduct several innovative R&D machining studies. These are mostly driven by either changes in materials or they are driven by changes in the legislations of metalworking fluids being used. We use our grinding machine to innovate our product technologies. What we have seen is that when grinding fluids are exposed to grinding fines for longer periods of time, that the foaming properties of these fluids start to decline. We are able to simulate these processes and work together with the development lab to modify the wetting properties and the chemical compositions of these fluids in order to overcome these issues. So ever since Quaker has these machining solution centers in place, we see several advantages to our customers. First of all, we have been able to reduce the risk when introducing new products to customer sites. Secondly, we have been able to improve several manufacturing processes at our customers. And thirdly, we have been able to help our customers being ready for the future.
Quaker, it's what's inside that counts.